All right, welcome to week 25, assignment 1. You using the online version of PowerPoint have limitations, as we've discussed before. So I'm showing you what the lesson is for this week. Your lesson isn't exactly this because you cannot do it online, but you will share it with me and I will show you how to do it. What you can do if you have the full version is if I wanted to, I can take my Harlow from last week with all of the timings or all the clicks, all the different things I can do. And if I go to File, Export, and then I can create a video. And then you can use your recorded timings and you can create the video. It would look something like this when it is done.
Did you know that George Washington's dog name was Sweet Lips?
Okay, so like I said, there is nothing on the online version that allows you to do this. So all I need you to do for your lesson this week is I need you to open up your Harlow dog from last week. I need you to go to File, Share, and we're going to share with people. You're going to go here where it says enter a name, and you are going to put in SUZANNEJARRELL. My name and picture should come up. If not, you're spelling my name wrong. You click it. And then what I want you to do is click on this little down arrow and just put can view, and then put here is my animated Harlow, and then click send. Okay, that's all I need you to do for this week, because like I said, yours is not as easy to create because of the limitations. I wanted to show you what it can do if you have the full version, but all I need you to do for this is create a link. Once you have created the link, all I need you to do is go back to the assignment, and in the assignment, just put I sent you a link so that I know to look for it on my email. If you have any problems or questions, let me know, and if not, I hope to see you soon.